All right, we got a couple more we are going to get done. Here we go. We are going to get, I believe we were on TNT. So here we go. So we come over here to our home. Let's walk back here. We come to home, scroll down, and expand this out. All right. We've done Chicken Rain, and these are some other ones that you guys can practice and play with if you want. But we're going to do TNT right now, okay? So click on TNT. We're going to do blocks. Now this one's super easy. Everything's done for you. Okay, I'm just going to change the name TNT so it's shorter. Alright, so it's going to make some TNT. So watch this. Here we go. We come here. We find our spot. Press the letter T. TNT. Boom. And hello. That's a lot of TNT. That's a crazy amount of TNT. Okay? Now let's go back and let's change the code a little bit. Let's go to on item used. We're going to go to this. We're going to take this and throw this in here. And let's make it, that's fine, we'll keep it an iron shovel. So when an iron shovel is used, it's going to do this. So watch this. I'm going to go get myself an iron shovel. Get me an iron shovel. Alright. Da-da-da-da. Ta-da! Every time I do this, boom. 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 Alright. Now notice how there's a gap underneath here. Alright, so we're going to change our code so there's no gap. So it wants us from 1 high. We're going to take this 1 high. We're going to make this a 0 high. And now we're going to do it. And now watch. There you go. Sitting on the ground. Sitting on the ground. Let's see, I need another one. Oh, yeah. You can do another one. I can do another one. I can do another one. I can do another one. Another one. Alright. So obviously with all this TNT, there's one thing we need to do. Blow it up. Alright, so you can blow it up however you want. And then we're going to come back for our last one. Alright, our last one.